Yeah, but it's always nice to come to a modern university where, it gives a respite from the day-to-day corporate work. And also, of course, since the topic is also connected to what is being attempted in terms of connectivity in IoT, etc., I think it gels well, and overall was a great experience being here. So, in fact, the last topic of discussion today was about the AI capability being introduced right on the IoT devices called edge or on-device AI. So that looks like it's becoming important to do some of the AI functionality right on those IoT devices. Or maybe in things like cameras, it might become more prevalent. Maybe smaller footprint devices might be less prevalent. But overall, I think inferences about the environment through the data coming in from the sensors will be probably influenced a lot by AI. Where they will run these AI will probably differ based on the size of the IoT devices. Yeah, I mean, you can't run away today from AI, right? I think it's everywhere. I mean, even, we are coming probably closer to the end of our career and we'll have to bootstrap ourselves to know what we should do in AI. So I don't think there's an easy answer. But definitely, I think building domain capability in some area which is relevant and of interest. For example, in my case, I still decide to be a wireless specialist and then see where AI comes in. It could be something else for others, whether it is somebody working on climate science, somebody working on energy. I think AI is probably going to be like what the computing world was, in the sense that whether you studied chemistry, physics, or biology, you still use the computers for doing a variety of things, right? So I think AI is probably going to come in as a tool to help possibly in all these areas. But I think there's a lot of uncertainty. We have to admit that. But I don't think there is, the specialization is not going to go away. So I think important to have the specialization in domains and then combine it with the AI skills which are necessary for kind of getting ahead in that specialization. As I said, one of the things we were looking for is primarily, being far away from the world of GPUs and cloud. We are looking at on-device AI, like, for example, we are looking at the Wi-Fi access points, having the AI capability to do something interesting, which was not done before. Maybe a phone already doing something, but maybe more towards the networking side. So those are the things which are of closer interest to the domain and which could possibly have an impact.